Carl Benz was born in 1844 in Mannheim, Germany. Growing up, he was fascinated by machines and mechanics, and he spent much of his childhood tinkering with gadgets and engines. This curiosity would eventually lead him to become one of the most successful inventors of his time. As a young man, Benz worked as a mechanical engineer, designing and building engines and machinery. However, he soon became frustrated with the limitations of traditional engines and began experimenting with new designs. In 1879, he patented the first practical internal combustion engine, which would go on to revolutionize the automotive industry. But Benz's success didn't happen overnight. He faced numerous challenges and setbacks along the way, including financial struggles and skepticism from others. Despite these obstacles, Benz persevered, convinced that his ideas would eventually pay off. In 1886, Benz designed and built the Benz patent motor wagon, the first practical automobile. The vehicle was powered by a single-cylinder engine and featured a manual transmission system. It was a groundbreaking invention that would change the world forever. Benz's automobile quickly gained popularity, and he began to receive orders from all over Europe. In 1888, he founded the Benz and Company, which would go on to become one of the largest and most successful automobile manufacturers in the world. Throughout his life, Benz continued to innovate and improve his designs. He was awarded numerous patents for his inventions and was recognized as one of the leading figures in the automotive industry. One of Benz's most notable achievements was the creation of the Velo, a lightweight, affordable automobile designed for the mass market. The Velo was a huge success, and it helped establish Benz as a major player in the automotive industry. Benz's success also brought him financial rewards. He became one of the wealthiest men in Germany, and he was able to live a life of luxury and comfort. Despite his success, Benz never forgot his humble beginnings. He remained committed to his work and continued to innovate and improve his designs until his death in 1929. Today, Carl Benz is remembered as a pioneer and a visionary who helped shape the modern world. His legacy continues to inspire new generations of inventors, entrepreneurs, and innovators. Benz's story is a testament to the power of innovation and creativity to shape our world and improve our lives. As Benz himself once said, "The love of inventing has no limits, and the joy of creating something new is the greatest reward." These words continue to inspire us today, and they serve as a reminder of the importance of pursuing our passions and never giving up on our dreams. Now let's talk about how you can achieve financial success like Carl Benz. Here are some key takeaways. First, start by setting clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Do you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or build a retirement nest egg? Write down your goals and make a plan to achieve them. Second, live below your means. Avoid overspending and make sure you're not accumulating debt. Instead, focus on saving and investing for the future. Third, invest wisely. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop a diversified investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals.
There's a great concept of the value that advisors can provide, and it's not in the provision of financial products where we give value to our clients. It's in the advice that's surrounding those products. There's an old saying about the electrician came to my house and spent an hour looking around and then simply tapped the wall with the hammer and everything started to work, and then he charged me $500. And when I asked him why $500 to tap the wall, he said no. It's $1 to tap the wall and $499 to know where to tap. And so financial advisors provide their value in direction for clients, getting them to do the right things for the right reasons, and not necessarily to buy this fund over that fund or this policy over that policy, but to understand why you need this kind of policy, and that's what you should do.
Fourth, stay disciplined and patient. Achieving financial success takes time and effort. Stay focused on your long-term goals and avoid getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes or emotional decision-making. Fifth, never stop learning. Continuously educate yourself on personal finance and investing, and stay up to date on the latest trends and strategies. Sixth, diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one source of income. Instead, explore multiple streams of income, such as starting a side business or investing in real estate. Seventh, build an emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account. This will help you weather any financial storms that may come your way. 8th, avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, avoid the temptation to inflate your lifestyle by spending more on luxuries. Instead, direct excess funds towards savings and investments. 9th, stay organized and keep track of your finances. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to keep track of your income and expenses, and make sure you're staying on top of your financial goals. 10th, seek out mentors and advisors. Surround yourself with people who are knowledgeable about personal finance and investing, and seek out their advice and guidance. By following these principles and staying committed to your financial goals, you can achieve financial success like Carl Benz. If you liked our video, subscribe for more financial tips and tricks to help you achieve success.
If you do these 5 things, you will win with money 100% of the time. Number 1, you need to have a written plan, a budget. No one accidentally wins. Second thing is you got to get out of debt. Your most powerful wealth-building tool is your income. And when you spend your whole freaking life giving your money to banks who fill up the skyline and have furniture nicer than yours, that makes you stupid. Number 3. Live on less than you make. You need to decide that my life is not good enough the way it is, and so I am going to control the controllables. I am going to change some things. And then you're going to save some money. You know how rich people get rich? They save money. And if you'll get out of debt and you'll invest and you live on less than you make and you have a plan, then you can do the last one. It's the most fun you'll ever have with money. You can be outrageously generous.